Welcome everybody, Bob at Two Pops Breaks. It is Saturday, April the 8th. We are breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. It's a one-box break, randomed up our 26 remaining box numbers. 16 is what we got. We did random team sales on your left. We have already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody. Gave them a chance to trade. Made a couple offers, didn't see anything going down. Gonna just double check one last time. Yep, Lone Star said he's gonna pass on Tennessee. Alright, here we go. Shit, that's not supposed to happen, guys. Well, despite our best effort, bam, Joey is gonna get a helmet. I am very sorry to everybody else. Joey is gonna one slot that besides his complaining. And that's not supposed to happen. He's not supposed to hit a helmet. Beckett certification and card on it. The visor going to be DeAndre Hopkins. Don't know how much longer he will be in Arizona hit there, guys, but currently he still is. Alright, Joe, congrats, seriously, bud, congrats on that, man. We've had a lot of one-sliders hitting, man, this last couple days. It's been very odd on that again. Seems like last couple days have been a lot of one-sliders. Just goes to show, all you need is one. Well, guys, we're also on a flex roll here, man. We've been pulling a lot of flexes. We haven't had a filler helmet in a long time. Yeah, I don't know how that goes. Going to be an Olin hit. Again, Joe's first helmet hit in a while. Congrats, Joe. That is going to wrap up that one, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch. We still got $5 off on those helmets, folks. Take advantage of it.